My name is Jed McKeehan, and today we're going to talk about what happens during a mediation. So first, let's define what a mediation is. A mediation is an informal process that happens outside of the courthouse where parties involved in a lawsuit try to work out their issues. So how does that happen practically? So normally there is an attorney who has specialized training in dispute resolution, and all of the parties will go and meet at that attorney's office, and they will be spread out throughout the attorney's office in different conference rooms with their attorney. These parties will normally not even see each other during the mediation or interact. And that mediator, the attorney with the specialized training, will go between each party, hear their side of the story, and work on negotiating a resolution to the case that everyone will then sign off on. And how does that work? Well, if there is an agreement reached, the mediator will draft that up, and then all the parties who are there will sign off on it, and that will be the agreement of the parties. And it's an important process, and lots of cases get resolved at mediation. They never make it to court. It's a way for the parties to be involved in the process. They get to decide what the decision is. They're not giving it up to the judge to wait on his decision. So they get to be part of the process. And if you don't like what's going on in the mediation, you can always walk out. You're not required to stay there and reach a resolution. You can find out more about this legal issue and other legal issues by going to my website, attorney-knoxville.com. You can find me on Facebook and Twitter. You can also view my other YouTube videos.